Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we got another Mercedes A-Class in. Going to be tinting the windows and de-chroming just the lower edge of underneath the windows on either side. It's going for a factory level sort of tint, so a 20% grade on this one. Anyway, let's get into today's video. So I thought I'd mix it up a little bit today. I'm prepping all the windows first, so patterning them. I've just heat shrunk the back window, just cut them ready to be trimmed up, make the patterns, and then I'm going to install them. Don't normally do this. I normally just say I'd cut that one, fit it, cut that one, fit it, and vice versa, all the way around. But I thought I'm going to mix it up a little bit today. Ever going to be tinting their own vehicle. This edge here is straight, and you don't have to make that cut. You can literally use the straight edge on either end of the roll. So line the straight edge up in there, then all you're going to have to do is cut that part there, and then just cut the bottom in. And then when you install that, you have a nice straight edge. So when you come to install it on the inside, you can literally butt it right up in there, really nice, and you have a really nice finish because that is already straight. So that's the door, windows either side, all on the transfer plate ready to go. They're all patterned up. The boot heat shrunk and cut, ready to be installed. Obviously there's no more room on there for the moment. Well, there is. I could put it down the bottom, but I'm not going to. And now I just got to get all the door cards off. I'm going to get the side windows and all that done first, then I'll do the boot window last. First off, more importantly, I've just made myself a coffee. So that's enough Mickey Mousing around. It's time to get on and tint the windows. Door card on this side's already off. Well, I've just taken it off, and then I'm going to get this side installed now. So these two are done, tinted in the 20% film, in the 20% level film, and then I've put the tape on here, ready for the not PPF, the ready to de-chrome. So I've just put a bit of tape on there to help the vinyl from sticking to the glass. Ready for de-chroming in a while. Now I'm going to get the other side tinted, get it all tinted, and then I'm going to come back to this. So that one's done, and now this side is done. I'm going to chuck the back one in, and then I'm going to crack on and get this de-chromed. So all the tint is now done, both sides. I've just taped up the either side rear door as I was already there. Need to do the front in a while. Back window's done. If you want to see how to tint a back window, I'll put a link above. About now. And yeah, so now I'm going to crack on and get it all de-chromed. I'm going for a gloss black finish just to keep in tie in with everything else, which is gloss black. So that's the first de-chromed window trim. It changes the whole look of it compared to the chrome. I prefer the black. I like all black wheels, black trim, everything, gloss black, love it. So that's this side installed, right down into the trim which holds the wing mirror, and then right up and around the back edge. What it originally looks like, oh no, that's now what it looks like. That's what it originally looked like. Let me know in the comments what you think. Gloss black, or do you prefer the chrome? Let me know in the comments below. that's that one done. Just watch me do, or time lapse me do. Last one. Glass tinted and de-chromed. In both sides are finished. Looking all good. This is what it looks like inside. I'll pull it outside and you can have a look from the outside natural light. So that's the Mercedes A-Class finished, tinted and de-chromed. If you enjoyed this video guys, take a moment to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, it's totally free. Thanks for stopping by, see you on the next one, peace.